Dude is lagging just to click buttons. All right, Gary, you're in this one going down to Jason. So we got Gary, double Josh B, Casey, Josh B again, Robert, Chris, Mickey, Mike, Julio, Martin, Martin M, Julio again, Derek's in. I saw him in chat. And then Jason in 2 closing it out. Thanks, guys. What up, Fatal Foot Fetish? What's going on? All right, so this is Prizm single box. You're getting 2 teams, one from the top tier, one from the bottom tier. We're going 4 times, and then we're going to drop them inside of the sheets. Again, thanks for hanging out with us. I'm Nate. This is Jeremy. We're here tonight, tomorrow, and then we'll be back on Saturday for another round of breaks. And so, again, we got Julio down to Josh B, Julio down to Josh B. And then, again, we got Tier 1, which, again, starts with the Bengals and goes down to the Seahawks. 4 times is our number. Jason's ready to go. And we got Broncos down to the Fins. So, Broncos down to the Fins. Julio with the Broncos. Jason, you got the Packers and the Ravens. Mike with the Chiefs. Josh with the Eagles. Robert with the Joe Burrows. Gary, all right, Gary, it's time for us to make up for you. I know we helped you out with the Judy, Gary, but you got a Herbert right here. Martin M, you got the CD Lambs. Casey with the Jonathan Taylors. Josh B with the Seahawks. Derek with the Raiders. Chris Neal with the Steelers. Mickey Clark with the Bucks. Julio with the Niners. And Josh B with the Fins. Here is Tier 2. We have the Bears down to the Vikings. Again, Falcons, Texans, Rams, and Saints are comboed. Let's go. Browns down to the Washington football team. All right, and there are your teams. Again, if you'd like to trade, feel free to offer inside of chat. We'll give you guys a few minutes to get back and forth with one another to confirm or reject the trades, and then we will kickstart the break. So we'll print the sheet. Let us know if you want to make any deals.
I know. I remember we do the teams on the left because then you can assign the team and move over. But you said you like to do the names on the left first.
I don't even remember anymore.
Been so long.
It'll be another 6 months.
I don't remember. Teams on the left.
We'll figure it out that time.
Let's go.
Let's see. Hopefully the stream has been okay.
I think it has.
Doesn't look like it's been.
I've been on checking it.
Okay.
It seems to be all right.
Good. It doesn't look like it's been that bad.
We're going to have a lot of videos upload, though.
That is true. All right, Panther table. Who's got the Bills? Dual tiered, dual XR, Obsidian galore to close out the. Anyone else want to make any trades? Now is the time. Let's see if he has any other.
Oh, what do you need? What size?
Like standards.
The regular ones?
Yeah. I'm not seeing anything, Mickey. I'm trying to pitch your sale for you, but I'm not seeing any action, dude. All right. Trade's closed. Good luck, everyone. Prizm. $12 packs coming at you. Good luck. Let's get it on. Fells. Use. There's McLaurin. T.Y. Hilton. Joshua Kelly and Chase Young. Dude's a beast. I know defensive players don't tend to sell nearly as well as the offensive guys, but Chase Young has been everything that he's cracked up to be. He is, I feel like what everyone hoped Jay Clowney would have been like. I mean, and again, he's had a fine career, but I feel like every time the camera's on, he's making plays. There's an Austin Hooper. Silver, Jeff Okuda. He is a Lion. And then Christian Fulton. Again, we have our top spot ready to be claimed by a new card here. Let's see what happens. Run, Ricky, run. I did see them selling online 420 jerseys of Ricky. I mean, they're better than nothing. Chase Young, Emergent, followed by Austin Eckler, Orange, and some other guys.
Keep looking, bro.
I see some shiny things coming. It is a Colin Johnson purple checkerboard. That is to 49, and he is a Jacksonville Jaguar. And the Jaguars are owned by Casey. Colin Johnson. Purple check. Jake Fromm, Kyle Duggar. There's a blue wave. That's of Aeneas Williams. Antonio Gibson had himself a pretty good rookie campaign. Fournette, Kenny Galladay. There is an Anthony McFarland rookie, silver. It is, if you could see, like the shadow offset. I've seen it on a few other cards before. You can see, like, right here. It's got like a shadow almost in the background. Sam Darnold, orange. Justin Jefferson, James Morgan, base. Halfway through the box. Let's keep going. Let's get some big name rookie. Let's get some silver. Get some color. Eric Armstead, purple. That is to 125. Ed Reed. I know it's down to the final weeks of football. There's definitely some big playoff implications. But then there's also some teams that don't have to play this week. Fantasy's over. It loses its luster. Kirk Cousins red. Logan Wilson. My one buddy was telling me he does a fantasy redraft of the players, and they do a fantasy football league of just the playoffs with the teams who are in the playoffs, which I thought was a really, really good idea. So it gives some extra meaning. So again, however long the guys are inside of the playoffs, you try to draft guys who are not only good, but guys who are also going to be in the playoffs for a long time. And so I thought it was a little creative. Then now you got to think like, okay, is this guy not only good, but is he going to score a lot of points? Is he going to still be in the playoffs down the road? And we have a Terry McLaurin checkerboard to 49. Jerry Jeudy for the Broncos. So I was like, all right, that gives a little extra incentive to keep watching. Obviously, you're watching the football playoffs no matter what, but a little extra something to see what happens. There is Gabriel Davis, silver rookie auto. He is a Buffalo Bill, and the Bills are owned by Josh B. Getting a Gabriel Davis auto. Edwards, Allaire, and Gandy Golden. Last pack of the box. AJ Green, I thought he was going to do a lot better this year coming back, but what are you going to do? There's Noah Fant. That's blue ice. 99. Jalen Hurts and Brandon Ayuk. So just a box of Prizm. Nothing too crazy.